Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang Beginner, full guide. Start by opening the hero selection and choosing one role to focus on for 7 to 10 matches, then learn 2 core heroes for that role. Watch the mini-map every 5 to 10 seconds, use pings to communicate, and aim to farm until you have key items. Keep matches short and review a replay or 2 after each game. Mastering core mechanics is essential and starts with understanding mana, cooldowns, and objective timing. Focus on positioning more than flashy plays, and always check your cooldowns before engaging. Use the minimap to track missing enemies and avoid overextending alone. Practice last hitting under tower and rotating for turtles or turrets when your lane is pushed. Small decisions win more matches than one big play. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more beginners. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless, and it even navigates tight corners so you can focus on your grind. It's a handy time saver for long gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control the map by taking objectives like turrets, turtles, and buffs, which give scalable advantages to your team. Ward or watch key jungle entrances and contest buffs when your team can win the skirmish. Communicate rotations with short pings and back off when outnumbered. When you take a turret, regroup quickly and pressure the next lane, or set up vision to deny enemy rotations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.